You'll notice that it's set to a dimming level here of 4. And if I swipe my hand down, it will turn the light off. My hand back up, turn it back on to the previous set level. You can see that there. If I swipe my hand up again, it will increase it to full brightness. If I want to decrease the brightness from full, I'll make small circular motions in an anti-clockwise direction. And if I want to increase the brightness, I will move in a clockwise direction. So I'll just dim this a little bit. And increase it a little bit. And I can also do this on the fly. And you look over here on the scope, see the waveform there. So the duty cycle, you can watch it move. I'm going to move back a bit so you can see both. Oops, sorry, I was looking at the camera. Yeah, that's how it's working. I can turn it off, and I can increase the dimming level from off also if I want to. There you go.